Welcome everyone. In this video, how to connect any API to Make.com so you can start automating your workflows with ease. Whether you're new to Make.com or just getting started with APIs, this guide will help you set everything up quickly. To begin, open the official Make.com website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Scenario button located in the top right corner of the dashboard. This will open a blank scenario. From there, click the Add icon to bring up the list of available modules. Scroll through the options, select HTTP, and then choose Make a Request. A new configuration panel will appear where you'll set up your API connection. Select API key as the authentication method. Then click on Create Keychain and enter the required API details. Be sure to double-check the information to avoid any connection issues. Once everything is filled in correctly, save your settings. After saving, your API will be successfully connected to Make.com, showing that it's ready to use. You can now include this API in your scenario to automate tasks and integrate it with other applications seamlessly. That's how easy it is to connect any API to Make.com. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe for more automation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.